Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on POCO F6. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. And now select this application and click install. Now you can click open and click agree and continue. Now you can close this ad, then you can click allow and click consent. Now you can click on this button, then click OK. And now click close this ad, and as you can see now I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.